Have you ever considered that your body's natural scent might subtly change as you grow older, often without you even noticing? It's a fascinating and somewhat overlooked aspect of aging. Many individuals become accustomed to their own evolving smell, rendering themselves oblivious to its presence. However, for those around them, the shift can be quite noticeable, often manifesting as a distinct, sometimes unpleasant, old age smell. This isn't merely a matter of personal hygiene, as the odor can persist even with diligent washing. More importantly, this specific scent can act as a silent indicator of deeper, underlying health issues within the body, signaling problems that warrant attention and understanding. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind this age-related body odor, exploring its origins, why it occurs, and where toxins might be accumulating within our systems. Crucially, we will also provide actionable recommendations on how you can effectively address and diminish this pervasive smell. Many people have likely experienced this phenomenon firsthand, perhaps while visiting an elderly relative or entering their home, where a characteristic musty, somewhat basement-like, and oily aroma often permeates the environment. What's truly intriguing is how this smell isn't confined solely to the individual. It readily clings to everything they come into contact with, from pillows and bedding to clothing, making its presence felt throughout their living space. This pervasive odor persists stubbornly, defying conventional hygiene practices like regular washing. So, where exactly does this persistent, often unpleasant smell originate? A primary factor is the production of a specific substance in older age, which, while not widely recognized, is thought to be similar in nature to a pheromone, though it signals the completion rather than the initiation of a process. This substance is known to derive its nominal value from the breakdown of fatty acids, particularly omega-7. Beyond this unique biological compound, other health conditions can also contribute significantly to the development of an age-related odor. For instance, issues with bladder control are a common concern, as many older individuals may not even perceive changes in their urine smell due to a general dulling of their sense of smell over time. Diabetes is another major contributor. Those with diabetes often experience increased inflammatory processes throughout their bodies, which can encourage the proliferation of bacteria and viruses, including on the skin and feet, leading to distinct and unpleasant odors. Furthermore, the consistent use of certain medications can induce specific body odors as a side effect. An equally critical factor is the accumulation of toxins and slags within the body, especially when the intestines are not functioning optimally. This internal poisoning can profoundly impact overall bodily health and is a significant contributor to the characteristic old man smell. You might wonder why this particular odor is predominantly associated with older individuals, especially since younger people can also accumulate toxins. The key difference lies in the robust physiological defenses present in youth. Younger individuals typically maintain a superior acid-base balance, possess stronger antioxidant protection, and have more efficiently functioning livers and kidneys. These vital organs work diligently to cleanse the body more rapidly and effectively. However, as we age, these crucial biological processes gradually decelerate. The kidneys and liver become less efficient, leading to a slower elimination of waste products. This decline facilitates the accumulation of toxins, which in turn contributes to the manifestation of the unpleasant smell. Moreover, the reason this odor cannot simply be washed away with regular soap is that the primary culprit, non-enol, is a fat-soluble substance. This characteristic allows it to easily permeate and cling to clothing, pillows, and nearly any surface a person frequently touches. Specific areas of the body are particularly prone to the accumulation of non-enol and thus are the primary sources of this foul odor, yet they are often overlooked in daily hygiene routines. The feet, for example, frequently create a sauna effect due to inadequate washing or infrequent sock changes, fostering an environment where bacteria thrive, especially if the body's natural defenses are weakened, chronic inflammation is present, or conditions like diabetes exist. The armpits, even even with regular deodorant use, require deeper cleansing or exfoliation to clear clogged pores and dissolve residual fats, sometimes necessitating special acidic or enzymatic substances. The neck and the often neglected area behind the ears are other hotspots where sebaceous glands actively produce fat-soluble substances, including non-enal. Finally, the navel, a moist enclosed area, can trap debris and become a breeding ground for bacteria if not regularly cleaned, contributing significantly to the overall body odor. To effectively combat this pervasive smell, several proactive measures can be adopted. Incorporating special antioxidant gels that contain ingredients like green tea, vitamins, and coenzyme Q10 can directly target and neutralize the non-enal responsible for the odor. Utilizing a natural loofah or a soft scrub, especially in areas like the back of the head, behind the ears, armpits, and groin, can significantly improve cleansing. Regular changes of towels every 2 to 3 days and consistent washing of clothes and bed linen are also crucial, as these items absorb the fat-soluble compounds. Beyond external care, internal well-being plays a vital role. Shifting to a lighter diet rich in vegetables, fruits, and berries, which are abundant in antioxidant substances, can bolster immunity and aid the body in its fight against toxins. Ensuring adequate hydration by drinking enough water is equally important, as dehydration can impair kidney and liver function, exacerbating the smell. Lastly, limiting the intake of strong-smelling fatty foods, particularly before bed, can further mitigate the issue.